Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for the GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the official guide to the revised GRE, the second edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problems that we are about to look at are the ones that you will find on page number 297. There's a whole bunch of problems on page 297 dealing with data analysis. Now here's the deal. All of these problems that you see there on page 297 in the second edition of the book are the same exact problem that appeared in the first edition of the book on the same exact page number. The first edition of the revised GRE when it first came out last summer of 2011. I have already solved every single math problem in this book. Instead of redoing all of this problem, I'm simply going to give you the day number where you can go to find the solution to a given problem. For example, problem number 5, 6, and 7, you will find it on day number 187, 188, 189. Just type in this tag, just type in revised GRE math, and then the day number. Day 187, 188, 189, 5, 6, and 7. Problem number, on day 190, I did this similar problem to problem number 7. In problem number 7, if you have the book in front of you, turn to page 297, you'll see what I'm talking about. In problem number 7, there's a problem there where a person by the name of Martha, doesn't really matter what her name is, she goes to a movie with 4 of her friends. So there are 5 people, 4 of her friends, and she goes to a movie. And the question simply is, how many different ways can you sit these people if this Martha woman insists on being seated in the center? On day number 190, I did the same exact problem, except I changed the condition. What if instead of insisting that she sits in the middle, what if she insisted that she sits in either end, either this end or that end? In other words, she does not want to have people on both of her left hand and right hand side. She wants person only on one side. In that case, how many possibilities are there for these people to sit? That was day number 190. Day 191. Problem number 8, 9, and 10, you will find it on day number 191, 192, and 193. Let's take a look at problem number 10. There must be something about it which caused me to spend 2 days on it. Yes, again, exact same thing. I am doing another problem which is very similar to this problem that appeared in the older GRE, and that you will find as a bonus problem on day number 194. Problem number 11, 12, and 13. 13 is the last problem there on that page. You will find them on day number 195, 196, and 197. And on day 198, I did a very similar problem that you see there, similar to problem number 13. Again, another one of the problems that appeared in the older GREs. A very similar problem to it for some extra practice, a bonus problem, which you will find on day number 198. There are 2 more days to go, day 199 and 190, day 199 and 200. And that was the end of my project here that I spent. That I did on the first book, the first edition of the book. There are altogether 200 videos. Again, one more time, it is very important that you put in the word revised when you're looking for these videos, because without the word revised, if you just type in GRE math and the day number, you will end up with very old videos of mine that I taped 3 years ago, dealing with the quantitative comparison questions from the old exam, old format of the exam, out of this book, the 10th edition of the old GRE. And you will end up with those videos. This book contains 210 quantitative comparison questions. There are 7 exams in this book. Each exam has 30 questions, and I have done all 210 of these quantitative comparison questions, and they are on my channel. If you're interested in extra practice for quantitative comparison question, you will find them there. Just look for GRE 10th edition or GRE quantitative comparison, because the quantitative comparison questions have not gone away, even though it is the revised GRE, even though it's a new format of the GRE, and they have introduced a lot of new things in it. But one thing that they have not changed is the quantitative comparison questions. They love those quantitative comparison questions, and it's very important that you know how to tackle them. There are some tricks to it, and the more practice you will do, the better you will get at them. Therefore, if you wish to practice, you can find those questions. But anyway, for these questions, you must type in the entire tag, revised GRE math, day, whatever day that you need here. And that will take care of day number, and that will take care of page number 297. The very last page that is left is page number 298, where I did a couple of the problems on page 298. and then the rest I did not get to finish, so I will do them later on. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow when we'll deal with some problems on page number 298. Bye now.